And this is explained in his commentary on the Bhagavatam, called Brihad Bhagavatamritam. Sanatana Goswami discusses this point about Sada Sanihitam. Always, that Vamanadev said, I'll always be near you. What this actually means. Or in other words, the idea of being the doorman. This is described in Brihad Bhagavatamrita Part 1, Chapter 3, Prapancha Atita, beyond the material world. Prapancha Atita. Text 82 and 83. Maryada Langakasyapi Gurvade Shatri Tomone Sampana Swagvajala Satyatantasya Yadbale Dware Tadrig Avastanam Tucha Dana Phalam Kemku Rakshanam Tushtabanasya Kim Nu Matstavakaritam. Now this verse, Sanatana Goswami is mentioning Dware Tadrig Avastanam. My dear sage, Bali violated spiritual etiquette by disobeying the order of his spiritual master and failing to be true to his own words. Still, as we know, Lord Vamanadev agreed to become the guard at Bali's door. Was that simply the fruit of Bali's insignificant charity? The Lord also granted protection to the wicked Vana. Was that the result of my offering the Lord's prayers? What he says in his commentary. Lord Vishnu favored Bali only because Bali was the grandson of Prahlad. By defeating Indra and occupying his throne, Bali violated the natural order that the demigod should rule heaven. And he disobeyed the orders of his guru.